name is Emma. I work with Solstice Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to be showing you two of my favorite foam roller exercises to roll out muscles that are typically tight if you have pelvic pain. These are just two muscles. I think we have a longer video that we did earlier last year on more muscles, but these are two of my favorite ones to roll. So we have our foam roller here, and the first one we're going to be doing is your glutes. So I have my yoga mat as well. And you're basically going to sit on the foam roller like this. Cross one ankle over your opposite knee. So this is my right leg, which means we'll be rolling the right glute. So you're just going to shift your weight slightly to the right and roll back and forth like this. So I like to do this for a minute and then switch sides and then do another minute on either side. So 2 times for a minute. And you just want to remember the side that you're rolling should be the side that's up to really open up the glute. So that's for glutes. The other one I wanted to show you today is the inner thigh muscle. So for that one, you're going to bring your foam roller like this and kind of lay on your stomach on your forearms. My leg is directly out on the side of me and my knee is bent. And then you're just gonna roll here, making sure to get all the way into that groin area where the muscle attaches to the bone. And just roll back and forth like this. So this, I'm rolling my left leg and my right leg is just straight behind me. And I'm supporting myself with my elbows here. And same thing for this, try to do 2 times for a minute on either side. And I hope that's helpful.